What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having an awesome day today. Hope you guys have a great weekend, the rest of the weekend. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about just when things start looking like they just couldn't get any worse, then something good happens. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. That's right, guys. All the rock got put up. It's done. It's completed. We're only lacking one thing, and I'll go in there and show you guys that in a second. But after I posted that video about how I was annoyed, I was very annoyed. Within several hours of that video being posted, the rock was delivered. I was like, that's what I'm talking about. Got it done. The crew, I wasn't here. I wasn't here very much. I wasn't able to film the crew actually putting the rock up, but I think it looks awesome. And I'll walk over and I'll show you guys some more stuff. We're getting a lot of rain today and tomorrow and the next day, and I got a lot of cleanup I need to do around the house and all that. But right now I'll show you guys what they got done. I showed you a little bit before this, but I'll show you the back porch and stuff. They got it all done. I was going to put rock up here, but we have decided to do some old barnwood style out here because what we're going to do in the kitchen, it's going to get dark on you guys in here. It's starting to get late in the evening. See if I can get over here where you can see me. Okay, you can see me now. We're going to do, we have an island right here. You guys can see the sheetrock is going up. They're probably going to be done within the next 2 days probably. We'll have all the sheetrock done, and I'll give you guys a tour of all that. They just pretty much finished upstairs and all that. But we're have an island right here, but above our stovetop, we're going to have a vent hood, but it's going to be all that old barnwood too, along with around the island. So that will match the outside cooking area over there. So I think that's going to look awesome with the old barn look right there. So I want to give you guys an update on that. We can do a walkthrough. The place is a mess, I know. I didn't want to throw any of the sheetrock away because they're working every day doing this, and I didn't want to throw little pieces away like that they might be able to use somewhere else. So I'm pretty much just waiting for them to get done so I can clean up the house, get it ready. I got to do a lot of cleanup outside, but like I said, we're getting a lot of rain in the next few days. We probably already got like 3 or 4 inches today just alone. So they've been busy out here since I posted my last video. We're getting ready to go into town, so I wanted to make a video before I left to give you guys an update, tell you guys the rock came in. Thanks for all the support. I know a lot of you guys are following the channel on this home build. We're getting close. They'll have to come back and do the fireplace. Now that's the thing, I had to make some changes on my fireplace, and I'll show you guys. Now they'll come back and they'll rock all the fireplace. But what I'm doing now, you can't really see, but we had to redo the cutout to the fireplace because my intentions were to use my old Model 91 buck stove, but it's not rated for what we're trying to do. It puts off way too much heat. For safety reasons, we're going to go ahead and buy a new buck stove. I think a Model 74 ZC for zero clearance. That's what they use in a lot of new constructions. That way you can just put it right in there with like very minimal clearance. Zero clearance is like 1.5 inches, an inch, something like that. I don't really remember. I got the manual, but we're getting one of those. We'll get one of those inserted, and then once they're going to be installing the buck stove, I think around October 15th or so. So as soon as I get that, installed, I'll be able to get the fireplace done, and the painters are coming. I mean, everything's starting to roll along, and I think we're gonna make the deadline for Thanksgiving. But we'll see. We'll see. It's gonna be close, but I think we can do it. I think it's gonna be right there, and we'll have our first Thanksgiving. And if we don't, we're going to. Let's not even say that. We're gonna have Thanksgiving here this year. It's gonna be done. Think positive, think positive. But I'll walk around just a little bit and show you some of the drywall they got, the sheetrock they got put up. They'll be, like I said, they'll be done in the next couple of days. Then we'll get the mud and tape out here. The cabinet guy came today, and we did the finalization on all the cabinets, so he's going to start building the cabinets. And as soon as the sheetrock is mud and taped, he's going to come. He should have his cabinets built. They're being custom built by a local person. It's not a company. He does what he does for a business. It's a local guy that we really want to support our local businesses. And he did my friend's house, and it looks awesome. But I'll walk around. We'll show you a couple of the bedrooms and stuff, and they got a lot of this sheetrock done. One of the girls' bedrooms. You can't see in there, the bathroom. Another bedroom. Looking good. They said they're going to do this last. So that's about what they got left. They got a few little touches up here and there, and they will be done. The dining room, but it's actually going to be a den right here for the girls. Come in here to the half bath underneath the stairwell, right next to it. The garage. The pantry. The pantry, it's like 4x8, so it's kind of narrow. So what I'm thinking, you guys give me some suggestions on the pantry. I'm thinking about doing a wide shelf out this way, and then just one. There'll be multiples on this wall, but I won't do it on this wall over here, so it'll be easier for us to walk in. This is what I'm thinking. It'll just be easier for us to walk in right here, and then all our food and whatever else we want to store in here will be on this wall and that back wall. What do you guys think about that? Because I think if you put shelves on both sides, I think it's just gonna be way too narrow to move around in there. Y'all let me know what you think. Maybe bring the shelf out even to right there. I don't know. Something we'll look at. That's gonna be like a place they hang the kids' jackets and stuff. And here's our bedroom. I really like the ceilings, how they did the ceilings. And the bathroom. The shower. The closets. Walk in here to the laundry room. It's coming along. And then upstairs. I almost got all this done today. So that's what we got done so far. It's moving along nicely. Everything's starting to fall into place. I'm just glad the rock finally got here so my guys can get it done. Worked out perfect. They got done yesterday with it, and today it's been a monsoon, so everything worked out good on that part. So they won't be coming back until I get the stove inserted. I'll be showing you guys the insert of that because I know a lot of people are interested in that stuff. I know whenever we inserted our stove in the pole barn house, we looked at some YouTube videos on how to do it, and it was really helpful. And I put several buck stove videos out, and they always do really well because fall's coming, then winter, and everyone's going to be needing to burn wood in their wood stove. So if you guys are looking for a wood stove insert, the Buck Model 91, what I got, is an insert, but it's also a standalone. And that's what we have it on, is a standalone. It's got some legs, and it works awesome. The Buck Model 74 ZC, it could be a standalone also, I'm pretty sure, but we did the zero clearance, and I'll show you guys all that whenever it comes in. So that's what we got going on. Let me get back into it. So that's what we got going on right now. The rocks is here. The rock got finished, and we're happy about it. I think it looks awesome. I'll walk back out here on the front porch, and I'll show you guys one more clip of it. I think it looks great. Very happy with it. Okay, so yeah, right here I used 8. These are 8x8 cedar posts. Me and my friend installed all 4 of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So me and my buddy installed these. We stayed up late one night because my rock guy said, hey, if you can get that done by morning, we'll be able to finish. We'll be able to do that, and we'll be done tomorrow. So I called him. My buddy's done it on his house, so he came over and helped me, and we got knocked out. Wasn't the easiest thing. I'll make a video just on that, and I'll explain how I did all that for you guys, because I tried to look at some YouTube videos, and there really wasn't anything that really explained it real well. So I want to make one for anyone else that's looking to do something like this, and I'll show it to you guys. But man, I think this looks awesome. Man, don't you guys love that? Look at them. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Oh. Yeah, so when things looked like they couldn't get any worse, they got better, and it was awesome. I'm so glad you guys are following this build along with me. As we go, I get to show you guys stuff. I just appreciate all y'all's support. Thank you so much. And I haven't forgot about the giveaway. The t-shirt giveaway is going to be coming up very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. And like I said before, thanks so much for all y'all support. If you guys like this video, smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click that little bell so you get the notifications whenever I do post new content. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next video.